Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use screen management tool on TikTok. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the TikTok app. I want you to head to the lower right corner, click on your profile. Then you click on the three straight lines in the top right corner. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. Then I want you to scroll down to the section that is called screen time. When you're in the screen time, you have plenty of options. First option, of course, will be to set a daily screen time. This means that when you set this particular daily screen time, you will get alerted and you will get notified every time when you reach your daily. For example, you want to spend, let's say, 1 hour a day, right? And this particular time frame will simply alert you. For example, if you can see over here, set the same limit every day. For example, this is it, 1 hour. You saw what I just mentioned. Let's say you want to spend from Monday to Friday because it's a working days, right? You want to spend less time. But then, let's say weekends, Saturday, Sunday, you want to spend more time. So Saturday, Sunday, you can give yourself more time. This is where the customization comes into play. So the first option will be flat, will be the same and will be equal spread for every single day, no matter is it a working day or is it a weekend. So you have to choose between both options. Then if you go back, you can see that you can simply have a screen time breaks. This is simply a small alert that will notify you that every once in a while you should take a break. For example, you do have a 1 hour TikTok per day, right? And then you could have like 10 minutes break and you can get notified this at custom time. Let's say when you open the app and your 1 hour per day starts counting, right? Let's say after 10 minutes you get notified over here, or 15 or 20 or 30 minutes, or in between, like every 30 minutes of this 1 hour, every single day you're gonna get a break. You're gonna get notified to take a break. It's like a time off. It's a cool function, I gotta admit this. Then you wanna have the next alert, which is a sleep reminder. This simply reminds you that it's time to go sleep. You want to make sure that you have enough time off the screen, off the flashlight before you go to sleep, so your eyes could actually take a break and take a rest from the blue light. You can set this time again, AM, PM, depend of the location, depend of your schedule. Some people are working at night, some people are working during the day, but this is also a very, very important reminder. All these three are working together. The next one is a little different, which is a weekly screen reminder. So essentially you can give yourself a whole week, let's say 10 hours a week, right? And you can decide how to spend it. You can spend the whole 10 days in 10 hours in one day, or you can spend 5 hours in one day and next day you are too busy, you don't have any time. You might not spend any time on the platform. This is what will happen if you click the weekly. And here you can simply distribute it what you set originally as the first option. Then you will simply go over the summary. This is something like analytics, and you will see how you actually utilize the time on the platform. You will see, okay, I'm spending more time on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I spent less time on Tuesday. Thursday, I'm not logging in at all. So you can see all this data, and all this data will help you to build habits and will help you essentially to spend your time on the platform much more effectively. But this is how you set a screen time management on the TikTok app. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.